my lovely followers. Today I'm bringing you a new recipe for a delicious treat that's perfect for all occasions. Cookies. Before we get started, I'd love for you to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of our delicious recipes. Now, let's get into making these delightful cookies that are both easy and amazing. In a large bowl, add 100 grams of softened butter, 50 grams of sugar, and 40 milliliters of oil. Mix all these ingredients well using a hand or electric mixer until you get a smooth and creamy texture. Then, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Start adding flour little by little, using about 300 grams in total, but you can add more if the dough needs it. Mix everything well, and then add 2 eggs, one at a time, while continuing to knead the dough until everything is well incorporated. If you feel like the dough needs more flour, add a bit more to get the right consistency. Once the dough is ready, divide it into 2 equal parts. To one half of the dough, add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder to change the color and give it a different flavor. Cover both doughs and let them rest in the fridge for about 30 minutes. After the dough has rested, roll it out between 2 pieces of parchment paper to prevent sticking. Use a circular cookie cutter or any shape you like to cut the dough. Place the cookies on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. It's important to poke small holes in the cookies using a toothpick before baking. Do the same with the chocolate dough. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake the cookies for about 10 minutes or until they're golden and perfectly baked. Once they're done, let them cool for a while. Now comes the fun part: decorating. Take some dark chocolate sauce and place a bit in the middle of one cookie, then stick another cookie on top, creating a sandwich. For the chocolate cookies, use white chocolate sauce between 2 cookies to create a beautiful contrast. The result is absolutely stunning. The cookies look like they came from a high-end bakery, with a perfect balance of flavors and colors. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you can enjoy more exclusive recipes like this one. Thank you all for your constant support, and I look forward to seeing you again soon with another delicious recipe.